Have you ever wanted to make your characters speak naturally without spending hours on animation? Dzine AI makes that possible in the easiest way imaginable. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create smooth, realistic lip-sync animations using Dzine. We'll start with a single character to understand how the system works, and then we'll move on to multi-character scenes to create natural conversations and interactions. What I love most about this tool is how fast and intuitive it is. You don't need any animation experience. Just upload an image, add your audio or text, and the platform does the rest. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this AI powerhouse is all about. Okay, my friends, today we're going to learn how to create lip-sync animation for several characters at once using Dzine AI, a powerful artificial intelligence platform for visual content creation. Our main focus will be on the lip-sync feature, the technology that makes characters in your image or video move their lips realistically to match your audio. I think that the most exciting part here is the Pro mode, guys. It lets you animate up to 4 characters in a single scene. It helps creating conversations that sound natural, and it costs the same as syncing just one character. Let's get straight to practice and create our first image. I'll use all the tools the platform offers. Before jumping into lip sync, I'll generate a character using the text-to-image feature. I'll pick an aspect ratio for a desktop video, which is 16:9, and then create an image using this prompt right here. The image generation begins, and after a few moments, I get 2 results. I like this one the most, so I download it. Now we can move on to the lip sync feature. I'll start by giving voice to one character to see how the system works. I upload the image I generated, and the smart tool automatically detects the face. Now I'll select the same ratio as before and click Next. Folks, there are 2 modes available, Normal and Pro. The Normal mode offers basic quality lip sync. The Pro mode provides smoother movement and better clarity, and allows you to work with up to 4 characters at once. Next, we need to choose a voice for our character. You can paste in a line of dialogue or upload your own audio. I'll use a short text and pick a female voice. Let's listen to a few options.
Find a comfortable place to lie down.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media?
And here's the kicker. I found a secret recipe for the most decadent chocolate cake.
I like Arabella's voice best. You can also control the speed of speech, faster or slower. Alright, I'll go ahead and generate the audio first.
Hello, my name is Sarah, and I'm excited to show you how AI lip sync technology works. This is amazing.
That sounds really good. I'm happy with it. Now I'll hit generate to create the lip-synced video. The process takes just a few seconds. And once it's done, here we go, our final result. Let's check it out.
Hello, my name is Sarah, and I'm excited to show you how AI lip sync technology works. This is amazing.
I can download it, enhance it to full HD quality for a sharper look, or add sound effects and polish it further in the video editor. Let's move on to the next step, guys. This time I'll generate an image with 2 characters. Once again, I go to text-to-image and paste in my prompt. I click generate, and the system gives me several results. I like this one, so I upscale it for higher quality and download it. Now I'll upload the image in the lip sync section, and the intelligent tool automatically detects 2 faces, which I select before clicking next. We now have speaker A and speaker B. Each of them can have their own script and voice. For the man, I'll choose the voice of James and generate the audio.
Hi, Emma. Have you seen the new project proposal?
Done. For the woman, I'll pick Hope.
Yes, I reviewed it this morning. I think it looks very promising.
Of course, the voices should sound like a real dialogue, one after another, just as in a natural conversation. I'll arrange them in order and press generate. Since this project includes more than 1 character, the Pro mode is automatically activated. We just wait a little for the result. My friends, here's what we get.
Hi, Emma. Have you seen the new project proposal?
Yes, I reviewed it this morning. I think it looks very promising.
The result is pretty smooth and well synced. We can download the video, upscale it, add sound effects, or edit it in the built-in video editor. Now let's take it even further and create an animation with 3 characters. The principle remains the same, but now we have more room for interesting and dynamic dialogues. Let me upload an image with 3 characters, folks. And again, this smart tool instantly detects all the faces. I select them one by one and assign a voice to each.
All right, team. Let's brainstorm some creative ideas.
The second man will have the voice of Alex,
I've been thinking about using AI for content creation.
and the third character will be Cassidy. I'll put the 3 dots in the middle of Cassidy's line to create a natural pause in her speech. Little details like that make the dialogue sound more lifelike.
That's brilliant. We could automate so many tasks, so what do you think?
Next, I'll arrange the lines. To make the conversation even more realistic, I'll make Cassidy's line start slightly over the previous one, as if she's interrupting Alex. This feature is called overlapping dialogue and is available only in Pro mode. Now I'll generate the video. We wait a bit, and here's the result.
All right, team. Let's brainstorm some creative ideas.
I've been thinking about using AI for content creation.
That's brilliant. We could automate so many tasks, so what do you think?
Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And now, let's try the maximum capability of the platform, 4 characters at the same time. This is perfect for creating scenes that imitate video conferences, group discussions, or educational videos. I'll upload an image with 4 characters. And once again, the bot immediately detects all the faces. I can select them in the order I want and adjust the face areas if needed. Now we assign a voice to each character. The first one will be James.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's meeting.
The second, Cassidy.
Good morning. I'm excited to present our quarterly results.
Then the third and fourth with their own voices.
Before we start, I have a quick question about the budget.
Sure, I can address that. Let me pull up the financial report right now.
In the dialogue, the first character greets everyone and opens the meeting. The second continues the discussion. The third interrupts with a question, and the fourth responds after a short pause. On the timeline, we can see all 4 audio tracks. You can freely move them, change their lengths, add pauses or overlap them to make the conversation sound more natural. I click Generate and wait for the system to process the video. And here's the final result.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's meeting.
Good morning. I'm excited to present our quarterly
Before we
results.
start, I have a quick question about the budget.
Sure, I can address that. Let me pull up the financial report right now.
And again, that's a well-synced video. Alright, my friends, let's wrap things up. Dzine AI truly changes the game when it comes to animation. It gives creators, educators, and storytellers an easy way to produce professional-looking lip-sync videos in minutes. Whether you're building a short film, a presentation, or a creative project for social media, this platform makes the entire process smooth, quick, and surprisingly fun. What really stands out to me is how flexible it is. You can start with a single talking character, then move to full conversations with up to 4 speakers with their own voices and timing. It's perfect for creating realistic dialogue scenes without needing advanced animation skills or expensive software. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.